All right, go ahead and grab your dry erase board. If you don't have your dry erase board anymore, you can use a sheet of scratch paper. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw 2 lines down the piece of paper or the dry erase board. So you're going to draw a line and a line so that you essentially have 3 sections. We don't need all this down here. That's just how it looks on my computer. But you're just going to need 2 lines so that you have 3 rows or columns, and then on the first one you're going to write ER, the second one you're going to write IR, and on the next one you're going to write UR. Okay, what we're going to do next is I'm going to show you a series of words. We're going to read the first couple together, and then you're going to take a look at the word and you're going to decide, does it contain the ER, the IR, or the UR, our controlled vowel pattern, and then you're going to write it underneath the one it goes with. Okay, so let's take a look at the first word. The first word, let's read that together. Chirp. Let's do it one more time. Chirp. Chirp. Okay, if we use that word in a sentence, I could say, I can hear the bird chirp outside. Go ahead and take a look at that word and decide, does it contain the ER, the IR, or the UR spelling pattern? Go ahead and write it on your board underneath the one it goes with. And we're going to take a look at the next one. Let's sound out that next one. Herb. Herb. Let's swipe it and read the word verb. Okay, as we're going through these, you can be pointing to the letters on the screen and swiping along with me as we sound out the words. Go ahead and take a look at verb. Does it contain the ER, the IR, or the UR spelling pattern? Go ahead and write it underneath the one that it goes with on your sort. And I'm going to show you the next 6 words. You're going to sound those out, so you're going to go through each letter or set of letters, sound it out, swipe it to read the word, and then you're going to write it where it goes. In between each word, don't forget you can pause if you need to. You're going to go ahead and sound out and read the word, and then write it on your board or your paper where it goes. Does it contain the ER, the IR, or the UR pattern? Okay, when you're all done, don't forget to have someone snap a pic so you can upload it into Google Classroom and turn it in today so I can see how you did. After you finish all the activities I have today, don't forget to go back and do your social studies. Don't forget to pick a specials for the day, and then enjoy the rest of your afternoon. Bye.